How to create logo text in Polygon using Adobe Illustrator. First of all, draw a straight line and make 12 copies. Select all the lines. Make a copy and rotate it to 90 degrees. Draw a polygon shape. Copy all 12 lines and rotate. Select everything. Go to Shape Builder tool, and then make a shape. Select all the shape, and press Ctrl+X. Delete all the lines. Then press Ctrl+V and adjust a stroke. Make another polygon shape. Remove fill and put stroke in it. This is how you create logo text in Polygon using Adobe Illustrator.